This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by ryansmith. Acreage. Bring your horses. 7+ acres, 3-bed 1-level, open floor plan home with a 4th bedroom, tile and hardwood floors, sunroom, master on main, walk-in closets, jacuzzi tub and mountain views. 2-car carport, fully fenced paddock, 4-stall barn, tack room and wash bay, with electricity and water. Efficiency apartment. Large enough for a king-size bed and dresser. Fenced backyard for the dogs. Bright and airy home you must see. Close to Baker's Creek boat launch and horse trails. For more information, review the details below or contact Ryansmith at 865-342-4200.